Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some stocks on the move today. I'm Tim Stanovic along with Carol Master, and we're joined by Bloomberg News equities reporter Carmen Reinecke. Carmen, a lot moving in the after hours.
Yeah, so let's get to those first. The top one that I'm looking at right now is actually GE Vernova, so ticker GEV. Shares are up 6.8%. So the company doubled its dividend, said it was going to spend more money buying back shares than previously thought, and boosted earnings projections, which really looks to be as they're seeing soaring demand for electricity in data centers. So plugging right into the AI play. So basically they said future earnings beyond 2028 to be between $52 billion from $45 billion. And then they raised adjusted earnings as well. And they also said, okay, the quarterly dividend is going to 50 cents and they're going to spend between $10 billion. They're going to spend $10 billion on share buybacks.
What are you doing in 2028, Carol?
I have no idea.
Do you know what you're doing, Carmen? I'm always blown away by these projections that this is what we're going to be doing 2 years from now. It's pretty amazing.
Well, it plays into this AI trade, right? And power grab.
And managing expectations, I think.
And yeah, exactly. And the electricity demand that we are seeing is soaring globally. A lot of it has to do with AI and data centers. So GE Vernova, it's up like 90% year to date.
Yeah, it's had a really good ride, even just from 2024 when it spun out from General Electric. Yeah,
that's done really well.
Okay, what about Cracker Barrel?
Yeah, so one that is not doing so well in after hours, ticker CBRL. It's down about 9% right now. So the restaurant chain cut its sales outlook, and it seems like what's happening is they're still seeing a lot of problems, sort of struggling to recover from backlash over the failed logo change, that we saw earlier this year. So they're now seeing sales between $3.2 billion to $3.3 billion, and they previously saw sort of up to $3.5 billion. So they're still hurting from this, and they kind of they changed it, they walked it back. Shares have really taken a hit.
God, is that really the case?
So the stock is down from July. It's down an incredible. It was over $70 a share. Now it's, close today at 27. It's had a major hit. I also do wonder here, though, if there's some just like casual dining pressures as well. There's definitely, maybe some consumer stuff here. But, the logo is a reason that people might choose to eat somewhere else.
Did you know that overall's clad character was known as Uncle Herschel?
No, I thought it was Old Timer.
Apparently
I thought
not.
it was Old Timer.
Apparently it was known as Uncle Herschel.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry, Uncle Herschel.
Not exactly Old Timer.
No, okay. I'm going to find this. Let's move on.
All right,
let's move on. What else do you have for us?
Yeah, so also looking at AeroVironment, AVAV is the ticker there. This is a drone maker. The stock is down 4.5% right now. The company reported earnings per share that missed analyst estimates in the most recent quarter. Basically, they brought in 44 cents a share adjusted. The estimate was 76 cents. They also lowered their full year estimates for adjusted EPS and revenue. So this also could be a little bit of an impact from the federal shutdown that we're seeing that's sort of pushing revenue into the second half.
Okay. Do we have 20 seconds for JPMorgan?
We do indeed. So this was one of the biggest stocks of the day that we were watching. It's ticker JPM. It fell 4.7%, which is the worst since April 4th, Liberation Day sell-off. Basically, the bank anticipates spending $105 billion next year, which is more than analysts thought. And the biggest driver is volume and growth-related expenses. Marianne Lake said this at a conference today. She also pointed to strategic investments and the structural consequence of inflation.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.